What up though, it's your girl P Liddy. I was doing the whole pop-up into frame and kind of greet y'all like that, but I really don't feel like doing that, so I think I'm gonna stop doing that from now on. But anyways, today I am doing a unboxing of ThreadBeast. They are a monthly subscription for you to just basically get, you know, some nice clothes. This is my third box. I've been trying to make this video for the past couple of days now, and either my desk isn't clear or I'm trying to move stuff around or I'm doing stuff for work. So it's just been sitting here staring at me, and I just can't wait. I'm ready. I'm ready. If you guys are interested, I will leave a link below for ThreadBeast. Yeah, it's pretty cool. All right, let's open it. I hope I don't need scissors. I'm gonna get scissors. Ooh. What I'm hoping for this to go around is some pants. Cause they sent me some cool shirts and sweatshirts and socks, but I never got pants from them. What's up with that? They asked for my pant size for like no reason. Ooh. So this is what it looks like. Oops. Got little stickers and how to do like the giveaways that they have going on. You can also follow them on Instagram. Let's see what we got in here. Yo. Okay, fun fact about me, I love socks. Like, I love socks so much. I have 2 drawers that are only dedicated to socks. I have such a big sock collection, it's ridiculous. But these are very cool, very cool. Let's see what this brand is. Yeah, cool. Okay, next we have an LRG hat. I think the giraffe is really cool on it, so I might try to make it work with one of my outfits. So we stay tuned for that. Next is one thing I'm excited about is this sweater. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Black scale. That's what I like about ThreadBeast, is they'll send you stuff that maybe you've never even seen before. So on the front it says as this. Here's the back. I love it. It is very cold in Osan right now, so I'm pretty excited. It's very thick. It feels very warm. So yeah, next thing. So we got, it's weird, I can feel something, but I can't see anything. Y'all let me know, because I can feel something, but it's invisible. Okay, last thing. Okay, last thing is a Giants t-shirt. It's a cool shirt. I am not that much into baseball. My whole thing is I feel weird wearing stuff that I don't really know about, because then I feel like somebody's gonna have a conversation with me about it, and I'll be like, well shoot, I don't know, this shirt's just cool, and then I'll end up looking dumb, and I don't like looking dumb. But yeah, that's the end of the box. I got some really cool stuff. These are my favorite too, the sweatshirt and the socks, obviously. I love that they send me a new pair of socks every month, so keep doing it. I still don't know what that piece of material was, but I mean, it's okay. I'll let it pass this time. Thank you again, ThreadBeast, for this box. Again, if you guys want a box, then go ahead, click the link in the description and get swaggy with me, you know what I'm saying? Like this video because it makes me feel good, subscribe to my channel because it makes me feel good, and comment what your favorite piece of clothing was because it makes me feel good. I really don't know how to end this video. I want to say litty titty at the end of these videos, but I don't know. Should I say like gang gang, gang gang, gang gang, litty titty, litty, what's the sign language for T? Would I do this the other way? Litty titty? I don't know, but yeah. Goodbye. Okay, I got this wonderful towel. Wow, it is amazing. Cool.